In this video, we are showcasing a small modern house design. We will showcase the design concept and the plan. What spaces have we used for which purpose? A nighttime view of the exterior and interior and the type of furniture used, so stay tuned. A home is a place where someone lives and feels a sense of belonging and connection. It is a place of refuge and safety, where one can relax, rest, and be oneself. Let's look at the floor plan for this home. In this house we have one small living room, one kitchen and dining and two bedrooms with one common bathroom. We have two entrance door, one through living room and another through kitchen. The built-up area of this house is 25 feet by 25 feet, that is 625 square feet. Please enjoy this night view of this house. And stay tuned, we will also walk through the inside of this house. Before we go inside, let's look at the plan of the kitchen first so you can understand better. The kitchen and dining is of size 15 feet by 10 feet. This is small kitchen, perfect for ideal family. Here is the small dining table with 3 comfortable chairs, and 2 pendant light is given above it, and walls are decorated with ceramic plate. The living room is the size of 10 feet by 10 feet. Here the partition wall is given, which also include TV on it. A unique design to it provides both transparency and style to this TV unit. The false ceiling layout design is like this. We have a warm cove light area in this area and all other lights we use as warm spotlight. You can pause the video if you need this detail. Let's look at the bedroom. We have 2 bedrooms in this house, each is of 10 feet by 10 feet. Let's look at inside. Here one small bed is given, and for storage a wardrobe plus display cabinet is given. The walls are covered with wallpaper and the 2 window provides the plenty of sunlight in the area. Let's look at the bathroom. It is of 6 feet by 6 feet. We have shower, wash basin and a pot where you can do your business.